All right, let's talk. Picture this. You're walking outside on a beautiful, crisp winter morning. You've got your coffee, you're feeling good. Maybe you're doing a little happy dance in your head. Suddenly, whoosh, you hit a patch of black ice you didn't see, and you're doing a not-so-happy dance on your backside. Ouch. That's a surprise, right? Not the good kind, like finding a $20 bill in your pocket. This is the kind of surprise that involves a bruise and maybe a little bit of your dignity scattered on the sidewalk. No one wakes up in the morning and thinks, I hope I slip on some ice today. It's just something that happens. Now think about your home, your cozy, wonderful home. It's where you keep all your stuff, your memories, your ridiculously large collection of novelty socks. Imagine one evening, your toaster decides to have a little rebellion and starts a small fire. Yikes. Again, this isn't something you planned for in your weekly schedule between buy kale and watch that show everyone's talking about. It's an unexpected event that can only lead to a bad outcome, damage to your kitchen, your home, and a very, very burnt piece of toast. These things are out of our control, popping up when we least expect them to throw a wrench in our day-to-day lives. These aren't just one-off funny stories, though. They happen all the time, in different ways. Maybe it's a fender bender in the grocery store parking lot when someone is backing up without looking, or a powerful storm that decides to redecorate your backyard by moving your patio furniture into your neighbor's pool. These are the moments that make us all go, well, I didn't see that coming. They are universal experiences of pure, unadulterated, unpredictable chaos. The only possible result from these events is loss, or if you're lucky, no change at all. There's absolutely no upside, no chance of winning a prize for slipping on ice. That's the core of what we're talking about today. It's this category of life's little and big hiccups where there is no chance for gain. You can't win the lottery by having a house fire. You don't get a promotion for getting into a car accident. These are what the smarty pants people call pure risks. They are the curveballs life throws that we can only lose from, or at best, break even. It's a simple idea, really. It's the risk of loss without any corresponding possibility of profit. And understanding this is the first step to not letting these things ruin your day or your life. So let's break it down. What is this pure risk I keep talking about? In the simplest, most non-boring words possible, pure risk is a situation where you can only lose or stay the same. That's it. There are only two possible outcomes. Something bad happens or nothing happens. Show diagram. Think of it like a game show where the only two options are lose your car or keep your car. You would never ever play that game, right? Because there's no fantastic prize, no vacation, no giant check. You can't win. You can only avoid losing. That's pure risk in a nutshell. It's the risk of things like getting sick. Nobody ever says, I'm hoping to catch a really nasty flu this year because I hear the benefits are amazing. No, you either get sick, loss of health, loss of time, loss of money, or you stay healthy. No change. The same goes for natural disasters. When a hurricane is heading your way, you're not crossing your fingers hoping it hits your house just right so you can win a brand new roof. You're just hoping and praying that it misses you entirely, that nothing changes, that everyone stays safe. It's a pass-fail test, and passing just means you get to keep what you already have. This concept is all around us, every single day, and understanding it helps us live with confidence, knowing we can prepare for life's uncertainties without being paralyzed by them.